if you're experiencing frame stuttering in EAFC 25, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this easy guide to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can improve performance and stability. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Reducing options like texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing can help increase frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 3. To optimize system performance. Close unnecessary background applications that may be consuming system resources. Use the Task Manager to identify and end tasks that are not needed while playing the game. Step 4. Check for overheating. Ensure your computer is not overheating, as high temperatures can cause performance issues. Clean out dust from fans and ensure proper airflow in your gaming setup. Step 5. Use game mode. If you're on Windows, enable game mode. This feature prioritizes system resources for gaming, which can help reduce stuttering and improve overall performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering while playing EAFC 25. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.